guys, it's Linda. Today we are gonna talk about hair. This video is in a collaboration with Maria Nila and Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, but it's not the typical collaboration. It's actually a charity project that we did this December. If you follow me on social media, you may know that we did this auction for an organization called Djurens Rätt. One company could bid on this auction. Linda Hallberg Cosmetics went together and did a Lucia-tåg, and I'm gonna just edit in a little video of it here so you know what it looks like. Du sköna över Betlehem och låt ditt milda ljus få lysa in med hopp och frid i varje hem och hus. Everything went so good, and I am so excited about doing this video together with Maria Nila because they are standing for everything that I stand for and that my company stands for. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are also climate compensating all of their packaging. I'm also very excited to do a hair video because I get so many questions about hair. It just hit me that I never really talk about my hair. I'm gonna talk a little bit about, or mostly I'm gonna talk about damaged hair and how to prevent damaged hair and what you can do if you have damaged hair to prevent it from breakage and to take care of it as much as possible. For my hair, I need both something that is repairing my hair, something that is color protecting. So I use the Structure Repair series. So first of all, I use the shampoo. It's not only vegan and cruelty free, it's also sulfate and paraben free. And I am using a mask that is called Structure Repair Mask. And after that, I am also using a leave-in cream from the same series. My hair has been through a lot, and people are asking me like, how can your hair be so glossy, even if you're bleaching it so much and you're doing so many hair colors and all of that. My hair is very, very strong, but I care about my hair afterwards. I care about what products I use. I pretty much never use heating tools like blow dryers or curling irons or anything to style my hair. And all hair, they're different. Some hair types, you can use bleach on it, but on other hair types you can't. And I mean, if you have black hair and want to go blonde, it takes a lot of time. Also, all hair types need a different product. So if you have, for example, curly hair and wants to have nice and defined curls, it's important that you use products for your hair types. And if you have frizzy hair, use products for frizzy hair. And if you have hair like me, I have very damaged hair, use products for damaged hair. It actually helps you to get the result you want. So instead of doing something that I know will damage my hair even more, I just let it air dry. All types of heat styling will damage your hair, so I'm not gonna do that. But if you do it, it is important that you use some kind of heat protection. This is a quick dry heat spray. To protect my hair even more, I use the True Soft Argan Oil. Tip 1. For healthy hair, don't use tools with heat like hair dryers, curling irons, and straightening irons because it can damage your hair even more. And if you want to use them, use a heat protection and use them maybe for special occasions, not for everyday use. Tip number 2. Another thing that I realized was that I always put it up in a ponytail after I bleached it, and it broke exactly where I put the rubber band. There's a really huge trend that is called glass hair that is going on right now. And glass hair is all about having like straight, glossy, nice hair. And the thing is that I have always hated my straight and glossy hair.
So when I saw this trend, I was like, this is what I have when I come out of a shower. It's like, this is what my hair looks like naturally. So what I'm gonna do is to show you guys a little bit how you can do this hairstyle without any heating, or of course you might need some tools if you have curly hair, but for straight hair, this is what you're gonna do. So I feel like I want to have a side part for this look, and usually I have my part on the other, but I will try to do a little different thing today, maybe. Or not. No, I'm not gonna do that. It's so strange how you feel a certain way with your side part if it's on the wrong side. This is the story of my hair. This is how it looks like when I go out of the shower and when I just let it air dry. But what I will do to make it stay like this, I already applied some oil, which makes it look a little bit more shiny. I will use this extreme spray. This is like so strong, it makes the hair, I mean, I could probably just do a little thing and it could just, like, you know, stand straight up. When I have my hair down, I want to somehow get it behind my ear, so I will just comb it behind my ear. I will take the spray. Either you can take a comb them down. If you have more frizzy hair, you can use a wax just to force your hairs down. If you want to have a trendy hairstyle without any heat damage, I think this glass hair trend is really good for you if you have straight hair, of course. If you have any other questions about hair and hairstyling, comment down below. Hair is not the same for you and me. We all have different kinds of hair. There are no magic products for hair, and I really like that Maria Nila is so honest about this. Many companies actually have wigs on their ads just to make it look better, but Maria Nila, they have like employees and, like, you know, real people. And I really feel like my heart is burning for this company. They're producing all of their products in Sweden, so it's ethically produced and they are protecting both human beings and animals. And that is really what I love about this company. And I feel like it's such a privilege for me to work with a company that has the right values and stands for everything that I stand for. I hope you like this video and me talking about hair for once. It's very important that you have the right products for your hair, and I think you definitely should check out Maria Nila if you haven't. I hope you guys like this video. Take care of your hair, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys. Why did I do this? Bye guys.